So in Google Vids, if you want to record screen and camera at the same time, then you can do that as well. So to do that, you simply need to go around onto the record section. And then over here, what you can actually do is you can go ahead and choose screen and camera right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that this is the preview that you see. You can simply close it off, but you can still see that the camera is being recorded. So now you can go ahead and choose a Chrome tab, a window, or an entire screen. So I'm just going to select entire screen in my case and select the screen that I want to share right here, just like this. So in order to start recording, you need to go ahead and click on the record button right here, and it starts recording, as you can see right there. So now it has started recording my screen. So you can bring up any app that you want right here and then start, let's say for example, working out. Let's say for example, I'm going to say sample heading right here, just like this. Add in some sample heading, zoom in, and so forth right here. So I can record my screen recording tutorial right here. So let me just go ahead and move this to the side now, and you can still see that it is there. So in order to stop the recording, then you can simply go ahead and click on pause recording right here, and then you can preview it out if you want to see how that actually looks, as you can see right there. Here, just like this. And you can see that your webcam footage is still there. So you can simply go ahead and click on insert, and this is what you have, as you can see right there. So now you can simply go ahead and trim off the clip as you need. So let's say from here, you can go ahead and trim it off right here until, let's say for example, at the end right here. So let's just go around over here until this section where you want the footage. So you can simply go around and trim it. And over here, you can see that this particular webcam recording, you can actually move it anywhere that you like. You can go ahead and keep it here, let's say for example, and even go ahead and mask it out as per how you like as well to give it a bit of a style. And then this is what you have. So if I were to press the play button here and then start, let's say for example, working out, let's say for example, and that is what you have. You can even go ahead and let's say for example, add in a separate animation right here to the footage as well, just like this here, and then start, let's say for example, and that is what you have, as you can see. And that is how you can go ahead and then record out both the screen and camera at the same time in Google Vids. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.